Hey guys, welcome to the Two Frequent Flyers channel. This is a slightly unusual introduction to a couples travel vlog in that I am actually solo traveling for the first trip of the vlog, and that is because my partner Denzel is, well, literally flying. Because this is my first solo travel in many years. Comes with a little bit of anxiety, but I'm really proud that I'm doing it. I'm gonna grab a coffee and see how we go. This is where I've got my SIM card from for Wi-Fi. They put it in my phone for me. Thank you so much. Hopefully this will last me the whole trip. It cost me 1,000 pesos for 45 gigabytes, and that lasts 30 days. Hey guys, so I have just arrived at the Z Hostel in Manila after about a 30-hour journey. It went really smooth. I actually managed to sleep loads on the plane. I managed to get my SIM card, get money out, got a grab, got to the hostel. So I thought I'd give you a bit of a room tour. Okay, so this is my room. I paid about, I'm gonna say £25 British pounds, could be wrong. I'll double check that and clarify it. So I got a private room just for the first night. They gave us some nice towels, cute little desk, little light, got a cute little mirror. Hey guys. And yeah, let's allow my fully matching pink suitcase. And yeah, some free water, which I'm actually so grateful for because I'm parched. And here's the bathroom. Pretty standard. Some soap. And then shower, nice size, perfect. So quite simple, but does the trick. Good morning guys. I have had a good rest, woken up from a nice nap, and I am at the Z Hostel this morning. Checked out my previous room because I'm about to start the tour today. Really excited to meet everyone. I'll be checking into a dorm room. Last night I just wanted to catch up on some Z's after a really long trip. But this morning I thought I would take you on a tour of the famous Z Hostel. So let's go. So right now I'm sat on the second highest roof. The upper roof, which is up this way, it's not open yet, so that will open at 5 o'clock. I'm due to meet the rest of my tour later for welcome cocktails and a dinner up there, so I will capture some footage from the roof as well. Also just bumped into a professional film company from Norway doing a Discovery Channel documentary. Their setup was extremely professional. I think I got it a little bit on the camera as I was walking in. I was just like, you're not vloggers then, because we don't match that level. But it was really interesting talking to them actually. They're two actresses that are going on an exploration, an adventure, because they've never traveled out of Europe before. So really interesting. Anyway, I will catch you later on. So I'm off on a little adventure. I'm gonna get some cool veggie food from a Mexican restaurant that someone at the hostel has recommended me. So off on my way there, and then I think I'm gonna go and explore the old city because I've got 6 hours before I have to meet the group, maybe even longer. So yeah, time for solo exploration. Exciting times. So I'll take you with me on the way. Okay, I need to cross the road. It's quite busy here. So they said find the little gap in the fence. I think I found it. To find a Mexican restaurant. Hello.
You're doing vlog?
Sorry?
You're doing vlog?
I am, yeah. Do you see a lot of vloggers around here?
Yes.
Too much. What do you think? You don't like them?
No, I like it. Especially the content of the vlog.
Yeah?
It depends.
Yes.
Some food, travel.
Yeah.
How about you? What is your topic?
Usually adventure travel, but
Travel.
right now I'm just gonna go and get some food. I've heard there's a Mexican restaurant around here.
Mexican? I am not familiar. This is chupacabra, but this is a bar. Usually most of here.
This one,
bar
yeah.
restaurant.
Yeah. Okay, Nice to meet you. So this is the restaurant that I'm heading to. Apparently it's really good for vegetarian food, which I'm a veggie, so definitely good. So I've ordered myself a vegetable enchilada. Very excited. Bit of a weird breakfast, but I'm rolling with it. And then I'm going to take myself to the old city. I'm excited for it. Just going to wait for my food and I will take you with me. My food is here. I'm so excited, guys. Alright, so I've just booked a Grab. Well, actually, I booked a Move It bike to the old city, which is going to take half an hour on the back of a bike. I'm quite used to being on the back of bikes, so hopefully it'll be fine. A little bit nervous, but yeah, exciting. I'll take you with me on the bike as well. We'll try and capture some scenes as we go. I'm excited to see you there. Also, just a top tip, I have actually changed into a t-shirt. I was in a little crop earlier. If you're quite fair-skinned and you're going on a bike in Asia, I learned the hard way that sitting on the back of a bike, you don't really feel the sun because it's quite windy and then you get really burnt. So I've covered myself exposed parts in sun cream. I'm hoping that the t-shirt helps me. But yeah, top tip.
Hairnet na.
Oh, what's this?
Hairnet for
Oh, okay, exciting. So they offer a hairnet service here with the bikes. I'm ready to go.
Just plug in and...
Oh yeah, cool, perfect, thank you. Lovely.
Are you a vlogger, ma'am?
I am, yeah. I'm new to it, but yeah, I'm vlogging.
So let's go, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. This is Joel.
Yeah. Hello. Why?
I've just booked on a little tour around Intramuros, which is the old city. And
then
Joel is my guide.
Shout out the group of True Brown Style.
Okay, do you want to
And
shout them out?
Yeah.
Hi guys to all people in the British. So let me introduce the group of Philippines True Brown Style. Welcome to Manila with
Beth.
Beth.
Welcome to Frequent Flyers channel.
Enjoy your travel here inside the old Manila Intramuros from Spanish time.
Thank you so much.
What name your...
Two Frequent Flyers.
Okay, I subscribe you.
Thank you. Is this the first place? Okay.
This is the first journey.
Okay. Here we are, guys. The first stop in Intramuros.
We're here at the Plaza de Roma, I call that place. There's a statue here. This is the Port King of Spain, Rey Carlos the Port. So during Spanish colonized, Rey Carlos brought the vaccine of the smallpox from Spain because a lot of victims of smallpox, skin disease. So that's why this guy, there's a statue here in the middle because Rey Carlos the Port gave the vaccine.
Oh, okay.
For the victim of smallpox.
And this is beautiful.
And we are here at the front of the biggest church in Metro Manila. This is Manila Cathedral. So it was built in 1571.
Oh wow.
So on the first build, it's made of nipa and bamboo. 7 times the structures because 7 times destroyed.
Wow. Just in a cathedral in Manila, in the old city. Getting a nice tour from Joel. It's beautiful actually. Let me show you.
Now I show you the memory of victim of war.
Okay. This is really beautiful. This tour costs 1,400 pesos per hour. I'm pretty sure you could get it a bit cheaper if you kind of just did one with one of the tour companies, but I don't really mind paying to support like the locals that are getting a business here. He's a really cool guy, Joel, shout out. And yeah, just be mindful that it is per hour. Just obviously ask for however long you can manage rather than to make sure you kind of lay it out at the beginning. It's really beautiful. Nice day, nice way to see the city, especially if you're on your own. back on the road. So guys, Joel was just saying that this is a prison cell where Filipino and American prisoners were kept. It used to be closed over at this side, but a bomb opened it up. More than 100 American and Filipino soldiers were kept in here, and most of them died. So yeah, very sad. Lots of history. Big watchtower. It's a beautiful view up here. And these are the ruins. There's something about being in a place that has had so much trauma and violence. It's really eerie, but also kind of humbling.
Down there, also a jail. So no one can escape the prisoners down there.
Okay.
Because the soldiers of Japanese around this area.
Okay.
On the top.
Okay, so I just finished my walking tour with a little e-bike tuk-tuk with man like Joel. Thank you so much for that. I really enjoyed it. So I'm going to show you some of the beautiful footage of the places we saw. Hey guys, so I just got back from the old city tour. That was a kind of solo trip. Met a few of the guys on my tour, which is really exciting. They recognized me. I was like, how did you know I was on the tour? And I literally left straight away to go on the walking tour, which is free if you're staying at Z Hostel. So I'm going to take you guys with me and show you some of the scenes from the walking tour. Hey guys, got back from the walking tour and now just met the rest of the tour group, ready to go for our welcome dinner. Got a free drink and we've gone up to the rooftop. I've been trying to get over here for 24 hours, finally got up and the view is amazing. Just finished our group dinner and I'm gonna get an early night's sleep actually because we've got to be up at 4 AM to fly to Palawan. It's been a really fun first day. Got out and did some solo exploring before the tour began and I'm excited to bring you all along with me to Palawan tomorrow. All right, good night guys.